everyone, this is Carol from SkyMart. Today, I'd like to introduce a powerful equipment, the C313GC Hydraulic Excavator. The total operating weight of this equipment is 12.4 tons, and the bucket capacity is 0.53 cubic meters, and the maximum digging depth can reach 5,517 millimeters, and the maximum dumping height is 6,017 millimeters. The compact body design has a rear slewing radius of only 2,200 millimeters, which can not only adapt to high-intensity operations in large construction sites, but also flexibly handle fine construction in narrow spaces. In terms of the core performance, the C313GC is equipped with a C3.6 National IV emission standard engine with a rated power of up to 74.4 kilowatts, delivering strong and stable power output. According to user actual feedback, the original 8-hour workload can be completed in only 2 or 3 hours with this equipment. It has a fast slewing response, and even when used with a hydraulic breaker, the power is not affected at all, far exceeding the performance or similar models. So everyone, if you are interested in this excavator, please feel free to contact me.